Korean barbecue is a culinary tradition that brings people together. Tabletop grilling is a key aspect of this social dining experience. Marinated beef and smoked ribs are popular choices for the grill. Kimchi and other Banchan side dishes complement the smoky flavors. Garlic and gochujang add depth to the marinades and sauces. Lettuce wraps and other accompaniments enhance the dining experience. Charcoal grilling imparts a unique flavor to the meats and vegetables. Turning meat with tongs is an essential skill for Korean barbecue. Sauce brushing and seasoning are crucial steps in the cooking process. Sharing side dishes and stories is a big part of the culture. Smokehouses and outdoor grills are also used to prepare Korean barbecue. The combination of flavors and social bonding creates a warm atmosphere. At the heart of Korean barbecue lies the art of tabletop grilling. Marinades play a crucial role in enhancing the flavors of grilled meat. Sizzling sounds and aromas fill the air as meat is turned with tongs. Garlic and gochujang are key ingredients in the marinade for tender beef. Kimchi and lettuce wraps are classic banchan served alongside barbecue. Smoked ribs are a specialty, with the smoking process adding depth. Tabletop grilling allows for a social dining experience, sharing side dishes. Charcoal grilling adds a smoky flavor to the meat, a signature of Korean barbecue. Restaurants often feature grill tables, where patrons can cook their own meat. The atmosphere is lively, with the smell of smoke and sauce filling the air. Banchan, such as kimchi, is refilled throughout the meal, a sign of hospitality. Mealtimes are a time for bonding, as friends and family gather around the grill. Korean barbecue tables often feature a variety of banchan dishes. Marinated beef is grilled to perfection on tabletop grills. Smoked ribs are a staple in Korean barbecue, full of flavor. Garlic and gochujang add depth to the marinades used for meats. Lettuce wraps are used to enclose grilled meat and kimchi. Turning meat with tongs is a crucial step in tabletop grilling. Sauce brushing is done frequently to enhance the flavors. Sharing side dishes is a key aspect of social dining in Korea. Charcoal grilling gives the meat a distinct, smoky flavor. Banchan dishes are refilled throughout the meal, as needed. Mealtimes are a time for bonding, as friends and family gather. Smoked meat is often served as a complement to grilled dishes. Marinated beef is carefully placed on the grill, sizzling with each turn. Kimchi and lettuce wraps are served as banchan, complementing the smoky flavors. Aromatic smoke wafts through the air, teasing the senses with anticipation. Gochujang sauce is brushed onto the meat, adding a depth of flavor and spice. Friends and family gather around the grill, sharing side dishes and laughter. The sound of tongs turning meat and the crackle of charcoal fill the air. Smoked ribs, tender and juicy, are a staple of Korean barbecue tradition. Garlic and ginger infuse the marinades, adding a richness to the grilled meats. The barbecue pit, a hub of social activity, brings people together in joy. Outdoor grills and smokehouses are also used, each imparting unique flavors. The combination of smoke, fire, and savory marinades creates a truly unforgettable dining experience. At the heart of Korean barbecue lies a sense of community and sharing. Tabletop grilling brings people together, fostering a sense of togetherness and warmth. Marinated beef and smoked ribs are expertly cooked, filling the air with savory aromas. Sizzling meat and kimchi create a flavorful combination that delights the senses. Banchan, an assortment of side dishes, complements the grilled meat perfectly. Lettuce wraps and gochujang sauce add a burst of flavor to each bite. As the meal progresses, the atmosphere becomes lively and convivial. Sharing food and stories around the grill strengthens social bonds and creates memories. The smell of smoke and charcoal wafts through the air, tantalizing the taste buds. Turned with tongs and brushed with sauce, the meat is cooked to perfection. Korean barbecue restaurants often feature grill tables, where diners can cook together. The shared table experience is a cornerstone of Korean culture, where food and company blend seamlessly. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.